Struggling with hair fall? Want stronger, thicker hair? Naturally? Start with what's on your plate. Here are the 10 best foods to stop hair fall and boost hair growth. Eggs are packed with biotin and protein, two nutrients your hair absolutely needs to grow strong and healthy. This leafy green is loaded with iron, folate, and vitamin A. Perfect for nourishing hair follicles and reducing hair thinning. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon keeps your scalp healthy and boosts hair density. A delicious way to fight hair loss. Nuts are small but mighty, full of vitamin E, zinc, and healthy fats, all vital for hair growth. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. That means faster, healthier hair growth. Packed with protein and vitamin B5, Greek yogurt strengthens hair from the inside out. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, essential for a hydrated scalp and shiny strands. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're all rich in vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron and produce collagen. These plant-based powerhouses are full of iron, protein, and zinc, great for hair structure and growth. Pumpkin seeds are a zinc-rich snack that helps prevent scalp dryness and promote strong, thick hair. Visual happy person flipping hair, smiling at mirror.